Hi, this is Josh from FinalScanPro. In this video, I'll show you how to use Mendeley, a free reference management tool from Elsevier. First, download and install Mendeley from the official website. Once it's installed, open the Mendeley Reference Manager. You'll be asked to log in. If you don't already have an account, you can register for free. Now you're ready to start adding references. There are several ways to do this. The simplest method is to drag and drop PDF files directly into your library. Mendeley will extract the details from the PDF and create a reference automatically for you. Let's quickly check whether all the details were imported correctly. As you can see, some information is missing, so we'll update it. Another option is to add a reference manually. Here, we'll add a journal article by entering details like the title, author, date, and page numbers. You can also add references automatically using unique identifiers such as DOI or ISBN. As you can see, Mendeley fills in all the fields for you. One of the most effective ways to import references is by using the Mendeley Web Importer. Install this browser extension. It's available for all major browsers. After installing, go to your browser extensions and pin the Mendeley Web Importer. You'll see a small icon at the top of your browser, which means the importer is active. Now, when you visit a journal page, simply click the icon and select Add to Mendeley. The reference will be added automatically to your Mendeley library. As you can see, the reference is now in the library. Next, let's install the Mendeley Cite Word plugin. After installing, go to Add-ins under the Home tab in Microsoft Word and search for Mendeley Cite. Load Mendeley Cite and a side panel will open. Click Get Started, then log in. Once logged in, you'll see all the references you imported into Mendeley. Now, let's add some citations. Place your cursor where you want the citation, then click Insert Citation. You can select a reference from the list or search for it. Let's add one more citation. Next, place your cursor where you want the reference list and click Insert Bibliography. Mendeley will generate your bibliography automatically. Mendeley supports all major citation styles. You can change these under Citation settings. Just choose your preferred style and Mendeley will instantly reformat everything. For example, let's switch from APA to IEEE. Notice how the author-date format changes to numbered citations. Let's remove the old bibliography and ask Mendeley to generate a new one in IEEE style. And that's how easy it is to manage citations and references using Mendeley. I hope you found the video useful. Finally, before submitting your work, don't forget to run it through FinalScanPro. Just drag and drop your document and let FinalScanPro check it for you. You'll receive a Turnitin style similarity report with all issues clearly highlighted and color-coded. You'll also get a revision report with suggestions to fix the issues quickly. Apply the recommended changes, recheck if needed, and you'll have a clean, original paper ready to submit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please drop a message below. Bye for now.